Imagine a world where finding oil and gas is no longer a gamble. Picture pipelines that can predict their own maintenance needs, preventing costly disruptions. This is the transformative power of artificial intelligence, a technology poised to revolutionize the oil and gas industry. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and learn from patterns, is ushering in a new era of efficiency, sustainability, and safety. For decades, the oil and gas sector has relied on traditional methods, often limited by human capabilities. We are now witnessing a paradigm shift. AI is breaking down these limitations, offering unprecedented insights and capabilities. From exploration to production, refining to distribution, AI is streamlining operations, driving down costs, and minimizing environmental impact. This revolution is not just about technology, it's about a fundamental change in how we think about energy. By harnessing the power of AI, we can unlock new reserves, optimize existing infrastructure, and ensure a more sustainable energy future. The journey into this AI-powered future has just begun, but the early glimpses are nothing short of remarkable. Let's delve deeper into how AI is transforming the oil and gas industry, one algorithm at a time. Exploration, the lifeblood of the oil and gas industry, is being reinvented with AI. Traditionally, discovering new reserves involved extensive seismic surveys and geological analysis, often a time-consuming and expensive process. AI is changing the game by analyzing vast datasets with incredible speed and accuracy. Imagine AI algorithms sifting through terabytes of seismic data, identifying potential oil and gas deposits with pinpoint precision. This ability to process information exponentially faster than humans allows for quicker and more informed decisions, reducing exploration costs and risks. Companies can now focus their efforts on the most promising areas, maximizing their chances of success. But AI's role in exploration goes beyond just data crunching. Machine learning algorithms can analyze historical exploration data, geological patterns, and even market trends to predict the likelihood of finding hydrocarbons in specific locations. This predictive capability allows companies to prioritize their exploration activities, optimizing resource allocation and potentially leading to significant discoveries. The use of AI in exploration is still in its early stages, but the potential is immense. As algorithms become more sophisticated and datasets grow larger, AI-powered exploration will play an increasingly crucial role in meeting the world's growing energy demands. In the oil and gas industry, equipment failure can have catastrophic consequences. The stakes are incredibly high, and the margin for error is razor thin. Unexpected downtime can lead to production losses, environmental damage, and safety hazards. These incidents can result in millions of dollars in losses and can tarnish a company's reputation. This is where predictive maintenance, powered by AI, comes into play. It represents a significant shift from traditional maintenance practices. Imagine sensors installed on critical equipment, continuously monitoring their health and performance. These sensors are the eyes and ears of the system, capturing every detail. These sensors generate a constant stream of data, which is then analyzed by AI algorithms. The data is processed in real time, providing instant insights. By detecting subtle anomalies and patterns that would be invisible to the human eye, AI can predict potential equipment failures before they occur. This foresight is invaluable. This proactive approach to maintenance offers numerous benefits. It transforms the way companies manage their assets. First and foremost, it significantly reduces downtime. Continuous operation is crucial in this industry. By addressing potential issues before they escalate, companies can avoid costly production interruptions and ensure a consistent supply of energy. This reliability is essential for meeting global energy demands. Predictive maintenance also extends the lifespan of equipment, optimizing asset utilization and reducing capital expenditures. This means better returns on investment. Furthermore, AI-powered predictive maintenance enhances safety. Safety is paramount in the oil and gas sector. By identifying potential hazards in advance, companies can take proactive measures to mitigate risks and prevent accidents. This proactive stance saves lives and resources. This not only protects workers, but also safeguards the environment and the surrounding communities. The impact of these measures extends beyond the workplace. The ability to predict and prevent equipment failures is a game changer for the oil and gas industry. It marks a new era of efficiency and reliability. As AI algorithms continue to evolve, predictive maintenance will become increasingly sophisticated, further enhancing operational efficiency and safety. The future holds even greater promise for this transformative technology. The refining process, transforming crude oil into usable products, is a complex ballet of chemical reactions and intricate processes. This intricate dance requires precise control and constant monitoring to ensure that each step is executed flawlessly. AI is stepping onto this stage, bringing its analytical prowess to optimize efficiency and minimize environmental impact. By leveraging machine learning and advanced algorithms, AI can process vast amounts of data far more quickly and accurately than human operators. Imagine AI algorithms analyzing real-time data from various sensors throughout the refinery. These sensors collect information on temperature, pressure, flow rates, and chemical composition, providing a comprehensive picture of the refining process. These algorithms can adjust process parameters, such as temperature, pressure, and flow rates, to optimize yield, reduce energy consumption, and minimize waste. This dynamic adjustment ensures that the refinery operates at peak efficiency at all times. This level of precision control was previously unattainable with traditional methods. The integration of AI allows for a level of responsiveness and adaptability that revolutionizes the refining process. AI's impact on refining extends beyond process optimization. It also enhances decision-making by providing operators with actionable insights derived from data analysis. By analyzing historical data and market trends, AI algorithms can predict demand for different petroleum products. This predictive capability allows refineries to anticipate market needs and adjust their operations accordingly. This allows refineries to adjust their production schedules accordingly, reducing oversupply and minimizing storage costs. Efficient production scheduling ensures that resources are used optimally, reducing waste and improving profitability. Moreover, AI is playing a crucial role in reducing the environmental footprint of refining operations. By continuously monitoring emissions and optimizing processes, AI helps refineries meet stringent environmental regulations. By optimizing combustion processes and minimizing flaring, AI helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This not only benefits the environment, but also enhances the sustainability of refining operations. Additionally, AI-powered systems can detect and prevent leaks, safeguarding both the environment and nearby communities. Early detection of potential issues allows for prompt intervention, preventing costly and hazardous incidents. AI is transforming downstream operations, making them more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally responsible. The integration of AI technology is driving significant improvements in operational performance and sustainability. As the technology matures, we can expect even more innovative applications of AI in refining, paving the way for a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. The potential for AI to revolutionize the industry is immense, promising a future where efficiency and environmental stewardship go hand in hand. The oil and gas industry faces increasing pressure to reduce its environmental impact. With growing awareness about climate change and environmental degradation, stakeholders are demanding more sustainable practices. AI is emerging as a powerful tool in this endeavor, offering innovative solutions to minimize waste, reduce emissions, and promote sustainability. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can provide insights that were previously unattainable. One area where AI is making a significant contribution is route optimization. This involves using AI to streamline logistics and transportation processes. By analyzing traffic patterns, weather conditions, and other variables, AI algorithms can determine the most fuel-efficient routes for trucks transporting oil and gas. This not only saves time, but also conserves energy. This not only reduces fuel consumption and emissions, but also minimizes wear and tear on vehicles. Efficient routing leads to fewer breakdowns and lower maintenance costs, contributing to overall sustainability. AI is also playing a vital role in leak detection and prevention. The integrity of pipelines is crucial for preventing environmental disasters. Sophisticated algorithms can analyze data from pipelines and other infrastructure, identifying anomalies that may indicate a leak. This proactive approach helps in maintaining the integrity of the infrastructure. This early detection allows for rapid response, minimizing environmental damage and ensuring the safety of surrounding communities. Quick action can prevent small issues from becoming major problems. Furthermore, AI is being used to optimize energy consumption in oil and gas operations. Efficient energy use is a cornerstone of sustainable practices. By analyzing energy usage patterns and identifying areas for improvement, AI-powered systems can significantly reduce the industry's carbon footprint. This not only benefits the environment, but also reduces operational costs. The quest for a sustainable energy future requires a multifaceted approach. Integrating renewable energy sources with traditional oil and gas operations is one such strategy. AI, with its ability to analyze complex data and identify optimization opportunities, is proving to be an invaluable ally in this journey. It helps in making informed decisions that drive sustainability. As the industry continues to embrace AI-driven solutions, we can expect to see significant strides towards a greener and more sustainable energy landscape. The future of energy is not just about finding new resources, but also about using existing ones more efficiently and responsibly. As we've seen, AI isn't just changing the oil and gas industry, it's shaping the future of energy as a whole. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more on how technology is transforming industries worldwide. Let's explore the future together. Future.